In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on systeme.io. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to build a landing page without all the technical hassle, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through each step to get your page up and running smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, you need to access your systeme.io dashboard. Simply go to the website at systeme.io and log in with your credentials. If you're new to the platform, make sure you have your email and password ready. Once you've entered your login information, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will take you directly to your main dashboard where all the magic begins. From your dashboard, hover over the websites section. You'll see a drop down menu appear, and here you want to click on Sales Funnel. This is where you'll start creating your landing page framework. Now it's time to bring your ideas to life. Click Create and choose a name for your funnel in the name section. Think of a name that's relevant to your content or offer, as this helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. Next, click on Custom, which lets you tailor the funnel exactly as you need. You'll also select your preferred currency at this stage, which is a crucial step if your page involves transactions. Don't forget to hit Save to ensure all these settings are secured. Once saved, click on the funnel name you just created to start fleshing out your landing page. You'll want to add a funnel step by clicking on plus add step. Name your step something descriptive and straightforward like landing page to avoid any confusion. Now select the step type as sales page since we're focusing on creating a landing page. You'll be presented with various pre-designed landing page templates. Choose one that complements your brand's look and feel. The templates are a fantastic starting point, minimizing the design burden. Edit the content by adding your headline, subheading, body text, images, and a strong call to action button. These elements are the heart of your landing page, so make sure they're clear and engaging. Don't forget to create a form on your page. Add form fields to capture email addresses and any other information you deem necessary. The form design should align with the overall aesthetic of your landing page to maintain brand consistency. To further engage your audience, set up email automation. Navigate to the automation section within your funnel and create an email sequence. This sequence will be sent to new subscribers who opt in via your landing page, making follow-ups and nurturing effortless. Finally, once your landing page is fully prepared and your form is set up, click Publish to make it live. Now your landing page is officially online and ready to start gathering leads. With these steps, you've successfully created a functional and attractive landing page using systeme.io. Happy funnel building!